Buyers, the top 10 countries who buy in Miami. You see number 3? Canada. We love Canada. All right. But buyers for Miami come from 49 different countries. So when you look at those top states, Brazil and Canada are the highest dollar amount of all of our international buyers, median price. Next, cash is king. And cash for international buyers, also buyers from other states who are moving into Miami. We're going to cover that in a minute because they're going from really expensive markets in California and New York and New Jersey and other places, and they have a whole lot of money to spend in Miami where property is actually more affordable. So 66% of all of our foreign buyers paid cash, whereas nationally it's 50%. It wasn't a few years ago, but boy, I'll tell you, Canada, Brazil, and Argentina, highest cash sales. 59% of foreign buyers purchased condominiums. They are the easiest to maintain. We used to exhibit a lot in Paris and in France, and there were 2 national TV stations that within a week each did stories on it's better to buy a condo in Miami than it is in Paris. It's cheaper, it has more amenities, and it's a better investment for you. So we thought that was pretty cool. Now, the Florida report I mentioned to you, half of all of the sales in the entire state of Florida happen in our market. Look at that, number 2. We love Orlando, but they're 11%. We love Tampa, but they're only 7%. What a big difference. Next, of all of the countries that buy in Florida, Miami is number 1 for every one of those countries. So here we have every month we do the top 10 countries looking at our website and Miami real estate. Look at who's number 4, Canada. We do the top cities that are searching our market, and look at number 3, Toronto. So if you're haven't gotten interested in knowing more about Miami, I really think you should, because you've got a lot of buyers and investors here that are very interested in our market, and we would love to have you connect with them and connect with our members to make more of these deals happen. Miami, our out-of-state buyers. This started with the pandemic, and so our out-of-state buyers, at the time international buyers couldn't come into the U.S., out-of-state buyers replaced international as number 1 in our market. So we added that to our international study, and New York. So we start with the most centimillionaires in the world. That's 100 million plus. Toronto beats us. You're number 19. Miami's 23. We'll take 23. It's okay. Next, best bar in the world. Toronto gets number 7. Miami gets number 13. Best art city in the world. Miami for our Wynwood walls. Toronto for Graffiti Alley, 5 and 8. Top 100 best luxury market in the world. Based on annual change in prime prices, Miami wins at number 45 and Toronto at 91. Most diverse city in the world, Miami edges out over Toronto with number 7 opposed to number 8. We are such diverse cities, and Michael mentioned that as well, and we love our diversity. It's an important part of who we are. Best university in the world, you blow us away with University of Toronto compared to University of Miami. Number 5, best Chinatown in the world, Toronto. Miami doesn't have a Chinatown. Best place to live and work as a movie maker, who knew? Number 1 is Toronto, up anywhere, and number 7 is Miami.